Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into something millions of us consume daily, but might be silently harming us: soda. If you're a soda lover, stick around, because you might want to rethink that next sip. Let's start with some eye-opening facts. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine followed over 450,000 people for 19 years. They found that those who drank 2 or more glasses of soda daily had a higher risk of dying from any cause compared to those who drank less than a glass monthly. Yeah, you heard that right. 2 or more glasses a day can significantly impact your lifespan. Sugary drinks were linked to a higher risk of death from digestive disorders, while diet drinks were tied to cardiovascular diseases. The culprit? High sugar intake wreaks havoc on your gut health, potentially causing inflammation and increased susceptibility to diseases. Even diet sodas aren't off the hook. Artificial sweeteners could be messing with your metabolism and triggering sugar cravings. Think about this for a second. Women who consumed more than 2 servings of sugary drinks daily had a 63% increased risk of premature death. For men, it was 29%. Scary, right? Alright, so we've established that soda isn't doing our bodies any favors. But how do you kick the habit? First, don't go cold turkey. Gradually reduce your intake. Start by cutting back 1 serving per day, then transition to 1 drink every other day, and eventually phase it out completely. Replace soda with healthier alternatives. Try carbonated seltzer water or mix a small amount of fruit juice with sparkling water for a refreshing drink. And if you're worried about sugar cravings, reach for naturally sweet foods like fruits and dates. These provide essential nutrients and fiber, leading to a steadier rise in blood sugar. Identify your soda triggers. If you usually grab a soda when you're bored, replace it with a quick activity or call a friend. Need that caffeine boost? Switch to green or black tea. They offer antioxidants and caffeine without the added sugar. Herbal teas like hibiscus, passion fruit, and peppermint are also great alternatives. Make water your go-to drink. Keep a water bottle handy or a pitcher of ice-cold water nearby. If plain water doesn't appeal to you, infuse it with slices of fruits like oranges, lemons, or strawberries. It's a simple and natural way to make water more exciting. And remember, occasional indulgences won't derail your health. Enjoy a soda now and then, but prioritize nutritious choices. It's all about developing a healthy relationship with what you consume. So next time you reach for that soda, think about the long-term effects. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.